Let's start with English 1 now and open the page number 94. This is a fifth chapter and see children, in your question paper you often get one paragraph in which you have to fill the verbs. Before filling the verbs in the blanks, first read the paragraph once and twice. Then you start filling the verbs after identifying the tense which is going on. Now see here, one solve example is given to you, were held. Now the first Olympic games means plural were held, as it is given the answer, in Olympics in Greece in 1776 BC. A description of the past event. Definitely we have to fill here all the past forms. And were dedicated to the god Zeus. At first, there was just one event, a sprint run by men, a sprint run by passive form, a sprint run by men. A wreath of olive branches was placed, passive, on the head of the winner. Next, women were not allowed to take part in the games. The games were held every 4 years and the time in between them was called, again but a passive forms here, was called an Olympiad. More sports were added to the games as time went by, including chariot races, wrestling, discus, now throw and javelin. Here we will not write through because the name of the game. Okay, so you have to be very clear and use your common sense, your alertness while filling in the verbs, because the previous sentences here went by, including chariot races, wrestling, discus, these all are the games. Clear? Then come here, throw. You will not write through here. Don't think it is a verb, okay, because the question says fill the right form of the word, not verbs here. And javelin. The Greeks held the games for 1170 years until they were banned by the Byzantine Emperor Theodosius II in AD 394. They were revived in 1896. So what we come to know, this was an past description. So we have to fill here all the passive forms only, all the passive past forms. But we have to be very careful in choosing the words, because somewhere they ask you also to fill the right form of the word. Word or verb will be chosen after reading the full paragraph. Next question is here, fill in the blank with an appropriate word, and generally we fill here prepositions only. Friends learn to bear with one another shortcomings. Bear with means tolerate here. Okay, if you know the meaning, you can easily fill in prepositions. I called on the minister yesterday. I called on the minister yesterday. I was shocked at the sudden news. Shocked at the sudden news. The child is hard of hearing, unable to hear. The aeroplane flew over the clouds. Over the clouds. The publisher has brought out a book on Indian custom. Means published here. Our driver has just walked away without giving notice. Walked away without giving any notice. He will certainly get through the examination, means pass through the examination. Now children, next question here, join the following sentences to make one complete sentence without using and, but, so. So you have to be very careful. You should not use and, but, so for joining the sentences. Example, what happened in the meeting? Question mark. Nobody has an idea. Now, nobody has an idea what had happened in the meeting. Nobody has an idea what had happened in the meeting. The There are two parts. The first part is in present perfect, the last part is in a past perfect. You should not change the tense when you join the sentences. Next one, here, take a check, full stop, the cash may not be sufficient. Take a check as the cash may not be sufficient. Clear? So here, as a consequence. This book is very simple. Even a child can read it. So here, this book is simple enough for a child to read it. It is a purely infinitive. So here you have to infinitive only. This book is simple enough for a child to read it. I had left my house. Your phone call came afterwards. I had left my house when your phone call came. Clear? Next one beta here. Now here you have to read the instructions given to you and then attempt the question. Sunita was cycling very fast and could not stop at once. You saw that. And this is in a past tense. So again the tense will not change here. Sunita was cycling so fast that she could not stop at once. Clear? Next one, how stupid of me to forget his name. Start it was. Again, past tense. It was so stupid of me to forget his name. Third one, I am too tired to walk any further. Present tense. So here, and cannot walk any further. I am so tired that I cannot walk any further. Clear? The tense will remain same only. Can I have a new dress? Said Tara to her father. Tara asked her father if she could have a new cycle. A new dress, sorry. Tara asked her father if she could have a new dress. He was known to be a kind man, and him to be a kind man. People knew him to be a kind man. Same tense to be followed. Why did she leave so late? Question mark. Begin so she ought. She ought not to have left so late. She ought not to have left so late. Next one. We won't buy the book if we do not like it. Begin unless. Unless we like the book, we won't buy the book. Unless we like the book, we won't buy it. You can erase cut book and write it here. We would buy it. Next one, last one. Not only did he treat him well, but also helped him. Besides treating him well, he helped him. You are going to use also and but besides means same. So use only when you use besides, you will not use also. So besides treating him well, comma, he helped him. Tense is same only and the meaning should not be changed. Children, you have to complete all these exercises. It is going to help you a lot also, and don't miss any chapter.